Good morning, students. Last class we have to explain with the packing efficiency of simple cube. The packing efficiency of simple cube is equal to 52.4 percentage. The second one is called packing efficiency of body centered cubic. The packing efficiency is equal to 68 percentage occupied by the particles in the crystal lattice. So today you have to explain with the third one is called packing efficiency of cubic closed packing, or other one is called face centered cubic, and last other name is known as hexagonal closed packing. So today last derivation in the packing efficiency, that is equal to FCC or CCP or SCP. So the packing efficiency of body centered cubic is equal to 68 percentage. The packing efficiency of FCC is equal to 74 percentage. So the remaining is equal to empty space. Empty space means 100 minus 74, that is equal to 26 percentage, is equal to empty space present in the FCC or SCP or CC. So now today packing efficiency of cubic closed packing or face centered cubic or in a hexagonal closed packing. So last class we had body centered means body diagonal will be taken. For each body diagonal having 3 spheres, radius is equal to 4r, that is equal to edge length is equal to 4r. Last class we had to explain. So today at the unit cell of edge length is equal to A. So now in this diagram, the BC is equal to edge length A and AB is equal to edge length A, and AC is equal to edge length is equal to small b. This is called small b. Now the AC edge length B, BC edge length A, AB edge length A. Okay na? That's why at the unit cell edge length B is equal to A and a face diagonal. This is called a face diagonal. Yesterday last class is equal to body diagonal. Body diagonal means diagram is different from the face centered. This is known as a face centered. If face centered means that AC is equal to what is there? Small b there. That is called edge length. So therefore the face diagonal, this is equal to face diagonal and AC is equal to B. So according to triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what happened? But AC square is equal to edge length small b, B square, BC square is equal to small a plus AB is equal to A. Therefore, B square is equal to A square plus A square. B square is equal to 2A square. B is equal to square root of 2 into A. That B is nothing but what is called face diagonal AC. The face diagonal AC is equal to B. Therefore, here what is the formula? B is equal to square root 2 into A. Okay na? That's why if R is equal to radius of the sphere, radius of the sphere. So, but B is equal to 4R in there. Now you can say this is equal to B. Here one sphere, second sphere, third sphere. This is the midpoint. This is the R. Okay. This is the R. This one is R. Here to here. So what is the radius? R. So in that AC, how many is equal to there? 4R is there. So B is But above in this B is equal to square root 2 into A. So therefore square root 2 into A is equal to 4R. A is equal to 4R by square root 2. 4R other name is called A is equal to 2 root 2R. Also you can write it as a same thing. A is equal to 4R by square root 2 or R. A is equal to 2 root 2R. But R is equal to A by 2 root 2. That is equal to objective question. Suppose FCC given means how to calculate the radius of the sphere means edge length A and also 2 into square root of 2. Square root of 2 means 1.414 value. Based on that one, R is equal to A by 2 root 2. So, according to the triangle ABC, so what we have to calculate? A value calculate. So, but your packing efficiency formula, volume of cube unit cell is equal to A cube formula. A means edge length. That's why all the packing efficiency derivations, first you have to calculate the A value. Then A value substitute with the number of sphere radius. Automatically getting the packing efficiency of body centered simple cube or under face centered cubic lattice. So now here, what is the edge length formula? A is equal to 4R by square root 2. Other A is equal to 2 into 2 square root of 2 into R. 2 into square root 2 into R. This can be written as like that. That's why ORR. A is equal to 4R by square root 2 ORR. A is equal to root 2 R. R is equal to automatically what is the formula? A by 2 root 2. This is equal to edge length. This is the only very important. Next after that you have to apply it the formula, you can get it packing efficiency. Next, you know that each unit cell in FCCP or FCC or HCP has 4 spheres in there. Before I am already knows. Face centered means so corners means 8 into 1 by 8 plus face means 6s per unit cell 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2 means face center. 8 into 1 by 8 means corners is equal to 4. Now, each unit cell in CCP or FCC or HCP contains 4 spheres are there. The bracket, corners plus face center, that is equal to 4. Therefore, the total volume of the sphere is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cubed, that is equal to 16 by 3 into pi r cubed. But volume of cube is equal to what is the formula? A cubed. But according to this one, what is the A value? 2 root 2 r or other 4r by square root 2. So based on this one, A cubed means 2 root 2 r into whole cubed. So this is equal to volume of cube. This is equal to volume of the spheres. Present in FCC means 4 sphere. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cubed. That is equal to 16 by 3 pi r cubed. Now already you know packing efficiency formula. Volume of the spheres divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Therefore volume of the spheres means 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cubed. 2 root 2 r whole cube into 100. That is equal to 16 by 3 pi r cube. This can be written as 16 into square root 2 into r cube. R cube cancel. 16 by 3 means 16 cancel. The total percentage means 74% occupied by the particles in the FCC or CCP or SCP. But what is the empty space means? The remaining space is equal to 26%. So this is about the packing efficiency of FCC, CCP, SCP. What is the packing efficiency? 74% occupied by the particles. Now this third derivation is completed. Among these three derivations, one you have to observe what is called packing efficiency order of 3. Means first occupied means FCC, therefore FCC greater than. Second one is called what is called body center, yesterday told body center. Next one is called what is known as simple. So therefore the packing efficiency in the order of FCC greater than, BCC greater than, simple Q. Why I am writing this is packing efficiency order of the priority. FCC means 74% occupied. BCC means 68% is occupied by the particles. Simple Q means 52.4% is occupied by the particles. So therefore, so packing efficiency for FCC is more than that of BCC. BCC is more than that of simple Q. This is equal to 74%, 68% and 52.4%. Now other question in objective what is asking, so among these three lattices which is having more will be empty spaces means simple cube, second one is called body centered, second one third one is called face centered cube. Okay na, empty space given లేదా occupied by the spheres means given means that is equal to packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means occupied by the particle. So empty space means 100 minus occupied is equal to the empty space. So this is the third derivation. So once I am telling you, next class 3 derivations you have to must and should you have to write at least 4 or 5 times. Then only what is the objective questions will be there means clarity is there. In PUC also guarantee question comes from this main question. A main question sub question one question given a one question among these three low one question guarantee that belongs to 3 marks. Next 2 marks will be goes on. So other than this one means remaining. So given that is other 2 marks. Okay na? This is the packing efficiency of so face centered cubic, hexagonal close packing and face centered cubic. This is the derivations. So this is a very most important. Next class, what is the distance, neighboring distance between the so 2 spheres means D is equal to 2R is there, neighboring distance, R value already know, substitute this means so neighboring distance D is equal to 2R. So therefore first in simple cube D is equal to A and next one is called D is equal to so A is equal to R like that. Next objective type lo one table formula given, that is next class. So we have to observe this one. This is based on this only we have to do with so objective questions for edge length A, R is equal to radius of the sphere. And third one is called distance between the neighboring atoms, that is called small d. So next class I am delivered that one. Okay na? So first when the complete of these 3, today we have to practice with all the 3. So packing efficiency derivations must and mandatory. Okay na? Thank you.